Hello my friends, it's NGWorld. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to show you remove skin tags and get rid of skin tag overnight with very simple ingredients. All you need to do is apply it once and you will get rid of skin tag, and will help you tremendously in getting rid of the skin tag and the skin tags naturally with very simple ingredients at home. My friends, it is super effective and it works from first time. Really, skin tags doesn't look that beautiful and it doesn't look attractive on the skin, and with this remedy you will get rid of it from first use. My friends, it will fall off and it's not gonna leave any kind of mark or scar, and it's very effective, very simple to prepare, and you will notice a great result from first use. So the first ingredient we need to prepare this remedy is aspirin protect, and here I have it in 100 milligrams. I'm going to use 3 tablets of aspirin protect. Now we need to take the 3 tabs of aspirin protect and place it into a grinder. Crash it like so. Until it's powdered. Now in a clean mixing bowl, add all the powdered aspirin protect. You can use any salicylic acid. This is components of salicylic acid, and that much we need that much. We don't need that much of it. Then my friends, we need to add any white toothpaste available for you. Here I have Colgate toothpaste. I'm going to add around half teaspoon of toothpaste. Then we need 1 lime or lemon. Cut it in half like so, and add around 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon or lime juice. Now my friends, mix well all the ingredients. You need to really mix well all the ingredients. Here for the time of the video I'm not going to mix it very well, but at home you need to take at least 5 minutes in mixing very well all the ingredients in order to all the ingredients combine very well together, and the aspirin will dissolve into the toothpaste and the lemon. Once we mixed and combined all the ingredients together, like I'm telling you, you need at home to combine it more than this. And now dip in your fingertip and apply on the skin tag like so before you sleep. And in the next morning you will find it got dry and got kind of stiff little bit, and it's going to fall out. With a thread, place it around the skin tag like so and leave it until the skin tag will fall off completely without leaving a scar and without any side effects. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you guys.